welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly. So now that it's getting cold outside, it is time to dye my hair soft black. I'm 11. It's from Revlon. I got this at Walmart. I have another one, but it's like very dark. So I just want to do soft black. I did this last time. So this is how my hair is going to look because it's time for me to wear my extension. So this is what the inside looks like. So let me get the stuff out. So first thing is, this is a coloring right here. So I'm going to use this. And then it has the color in here. So this is a color. And then this is the conditioner that I use when I take a shower. I only use a little bit. I don't use the whole thing because I like to reuse it when I shower again. So I only use a little bit. I'm going to be using this when I'm in the shower. So I'm going to put this on the side. And then instructions. If you don't know how to color your hair or stuff, here's the instructions. And it has gloves for you in here. So you don't have to wear. If you don't like the gloves, you can use other gloves. But the gloves are literally right here. It's just, you just rip them off. You rip them off like this. And there's one. And then there's two. So if you don't know how to color your hair, it's your first time dyeing your hair, there are instructions here that it shows you. But I know how to do it already. So let's go ahead and get started with the process. And that's all it has. You guys can throw that away. So let me show you guys what to do next. Oh, and you also need a clip to, when you're finished dyeing your hair, you can just clip it. Okay, so the only things you guys need is these two little things. So the first thing is you have to do is you have to open this. Just open it. It already has color inside, so you open it, and then you open this, and this is where the color is. Smells good. Smells good. Okay, so now this is cream. So you're gonna pour this in here like this. So like that. All of it. Like that. Everything. Oops. Now we don't need this anymore, so go ahead and throw that away. Now we're gonna put this back on. And we're gonna close it tight. And then we're gonna shake. We're going to shake a lot because you have to shake it a lot. You see that? You see the color? Yeah, we're going to have to shake a lot. Okay, I'm also going to put this jelly because the hair dye that I'm going to use is black. So it's just a jelly. I'm just going to be wearing it. I'm just going to grab some like this. And I'll be wearing it like right here because I don't want to stain. So I'm just going to rub it in my hand and just use it on the skin. I got it in the hair. Just on the skin. Because I don't want I know I have to take my glasses for this, but I'm merely just, and out behind the ears as well. Not inside, just like this. Because I don't want to get it, okay, and then I'm going to pull my hair up like this because I'm going to do it. I'm going to grab some more like that. And I'm going to put some on my skin, on the back, like just on your skin. It's okay if you get it in your hair. You're going to wash it anyways. So, on the hair. Before I start doing anything else, because I don't want to get, and I use this shirt because I've dyed my hair before, so make sure that you're using a shirt that you're not going to use when you go out, just because it's going to stain. So, I look crazy right now. Okay, so I got behind the ears and ears. You don't have to use a lot, or like that. All right. And, all right. So now I'm going to put my gloves because we have to protect yourselves. Put the gloves on. If you don't like these gloves, you can throw them away or just keep them if you want to. So now that I put my gloves like that, really nice, I'm going to take this off. Okay, and I'm going to take my glasses off for this. I don't want my glasses to be stained. I'm going to mix it one more time. So now when you're dyeing your hair, oh, you have to cut this little thing here. So just cut it off like this. Get some scissors, just cough the little tip. Oh, there you go. Just get this little tip off of here so you can. Okay, so when you dye your hair, you want to start here. So I'm going to go ahead and start here. And then with your hand, just rub it like this. Let me get close so you guys can see. You see that? Then just rub. And then like this. You want to get it really good. And then behind the ear, like that. Now if you have lots of hair, you might want to buy two hair dyes if you have a lot of hair. I don't have a lot of hair, so with one is perfectly fine. You're going to get down here and then you're going to tip your head and do the back. You really want it to be that side. And then you're going to do that. You're going to do the flip and do it right here as well. And you want to be careful that you hold it like this, because if you hold it down, then the hair dye is gonna drip all over your floor and you're gonna get stained. And you're gonna put some right here, like here. So that's why I put okay, and then right here on the right there. Okay. And then you want it to put right there on top. Like that. It doesn't look black, but trust me, it is black. So now that you got your, you really want to rub it really good. So now that you got that, what I like to do is, I like to put here where my line is and just start. And then just randomly go and put it on the head first, because that's more important. I used to use two because I thought one wasn't enough. You don't want to use a lot because you're only going to get hair. You need the whole hair. So now we're going to get, you're actually dyeing your scalp. So you just want to dye the scalp first, and then you're going to get all your hair. I don't use a lot in the scalp. So you just want to get all of this. You really want to scrape it in there so you can get the whole thing. So we can, this is how I do it. But if you guys have other methods to do it, you guys can definitely do it your way. But this is how I do it. So you really want to get the scalp first, so it's nice and stuff. And now what I like to do is I like to put like that, and then I like to put it in all my hair. And this is where you can, I have stained my floors with this, so now we're going to get the tip of the hair to lightly. That's why you gotta wear a t-shirt that you're not gonna use when you go out. This is a t-shirt that I like to use when I don't go out. We're gonna grab some more. If you don't know how to do it, read the instructions or let somebody else do it for you. So I used to do this. My mom used to help me with this because I didn't know how. But one time I did it myself. And then you just get the hang of it. You're going to look really crazy like I'm looking crazy right now. But it's okay. You're at the house. Nobody's going to see you. I'm not going to go to public like this. So. And now this is where you just rub it. Rub it. It has to be nice, and if you get stained a little bit, it's fine. You can get a brush and just, when you're in the shower, just wash it off with the brush. Or your own hair, you can use that as a scrubber as well. That's what I do. So it's time to change to black because it's starting to get cold, and it's time for me to use my extensions that I haven't used because it was summer. So I'm gonna use it. My hair. You have to use a whole bottle. You can't leave anything in there. So I'm gonna finish this off, and I'll see you back when I'm finished. To say, if you have to dye your eyebrows as well, so you're gonna grab. If you're doing a different color, don't forget to dye your eyebrows. So the only thing you're gonna do is just gonna rub it in there. You're gonna look so weird, but you know what? It's okay. It's fine. Don't forget to dye your eyebrows, the colors, so it matches your hair. Now I'm going to continue. So you're going to look so weird like I am. But this is the process. I'm almost done with this bottle. I did stain the back of my door. I just closed it right now. But you know what? It's okay. It's okay. It's my bathroom. So now that we've finished, we're going to clip it. Make a little clip. Grab the clip and put it in place. And let me take this off. You see that? I stained. I forgot to close the door. But anyways, it's good. Okay, so now that you're finished with your hair dye and stuff, it says here to, I'm reading French. Why am I reading French? Okay, I don't know French. Okay, it says to full head application. So this is the full head application that you need. So it says to where is okay okay, leave on hair for 25 minutes. So put your Alexa whatever for 25. So let me go do that first. Hold on. Okay, so I just put my Alexa to put 25 minutes. So it says to leave it on the hair for 25 minutes total. Or you can leave it for 33 minutes if you have gray hair, or if you want it darker. I leave it 25. So I'm going to leave it for 25 minutes. I have my alarm for 25 minutes. And I will see you guys after I take this off and shower and do everything. And ignore the stain that I have here in the back. I forgot to close my door. But it's okay. So I'll see you guys back when I'm done with all this beauty. I look bad. But anyways, I'll be right back. Alrighty, so here we go. I finished showering and I have my hair. So let's take out. And it's okay if it gets hair dye there. It's gonna rinse. So I use a conditioner that I had in the shower. And it's okay. Look, the hair tie. I use a t-shirt. This is what the hair is looking like. Really black. That's what the hair is looking like. I still have some hair on the back. I don't think I have in the back, but I tried to take everything out here. So now I'm going to use the Dove Curls Leave-In Conditioner. You can style it however you want to style it. So I use about this much. I like to use like that. So now I just add it through my hair. I only added out the tips of my hair. I don't like to add on top because they told me that if you add it on top, it gets very thin. So I use it on the bottom only. Alright, so now I'm going to brush it. Look how black it is. Of course, right now it doesn't show, but when your hair dries, it will show the color. So when my hair dries, it's gonna look good. So, like tomorrow or tonight, my hair dries pretty quick, so. But yeah. It's nice and soft. I love that conditioner. I didn't use all the conditioner, like I said, because I like to use it when I take a shower. I don't like to use it a lot. There you go. This is what my hair is looking like. My hair grew the last time I dyed it. So let me give you a full 360 of my hair. So my hair looks like nice and black. Right now you can't really tell because it's wet, but once it dries, oh, and then my eyebrows, look at my eyebrows. I got everything out of here. So that Vaseline works. So if you're dyeing your hair a different color, recommend using the Vaseline. But yeah, this is how I dyed my hair. Still have a little bit here, but it's okay. It's fine. Anyways, I hope you like this tutorial that I did on my hair. If you're the first time dyeing your hair and you want to know, super easy, but be careful not to leave it for a long time. I left it 25 minutes. You can do 30 if you do have gray hair. Leave it. And if you're starting with gray hair like I am, leave it 25 minutes. But yes, this is a quick tutorial. Can't wait to wear my extensions and style my hair. And yeah, I'm so I am like excited to be wearing my extensions. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and follow me on my social medias down below. I put them here, also in the description box. And stay safe out there, and until next time, bye.